So you pulled your credit, or you got your credit through Credit Karma. What did you see with them? Okay, so 680 is a good score. 682 is a good score. Well, no, it probably won't be that when we take a look at it. What happens is with Credit Karma, you are getting a consumer score where we have to take a look at the mortgage score. So they're going to look at the same information, the same account, the same balances, the same payment history. Everything is going to be reported the same. It's just a different formula. It's just a different algorithm that they're using. So the whole purpose of the credit scoring system is to determine your level of risk. And so the level of risk for consumer debt, well, they consider it to be different than for mortgage debt. So oftentimes what we see is probably somewhere between 20, 25, 30 points lower is what we see versus what you see on Credit Karma, Credit Sesame, or one of those other sites. That's not always the case. Sometimes I've been surprised where our scores came back higher. Right. So in most cases, I do wind up seeing, that's what I expect. If someone tells me they've got a credit score through Credit Karma, I'm anticipating that our scores wind up coming back 25 points or so lower. More times than not, that's what we're seeing. So if you're seeing a 680 plus credit score and you're looking to do an FHA loan, you're probably going to be in good shape.